Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to RaceCon Network. If you're new to this channel, please smash that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot, help grow the channel. Today we're obviously starting this video out a little bit differently. I'm in my basement. Just received this in the mail. In this massive box. But yeah, just received this in the mail. Today's video, my friend just copped a 335i for the biggest steal ever. We're gonna get into that in a little bit. We're gonna go show you it beforehand, and then afterhand we're gonna wash it and wax it today because it's a little bit dirty. The guy we got it off of, it was a Craigslist ad, just letting you guys know used car market is about to plummet, so you can get steals. So basically we got this car off a guy up in Towson, Maryland, and he had like 4 other cars, Porsche Panamera, Aston Martin DB9, so he had a lot of money basically, and he didn't drive this car anymore. We got this car, or he got this car for $7,100 with 75,000 miles on it. So when I'm telling you it's a steal, it's a steal. 2-owner, no problems with the car. We'll get to shots right now. There you go, clean it up a little for you. So there's my SS right there. Kill, my windows were down the whole, oh no, I just pressed the button, I'm in ahead. So there's my 335, there's my buddies. Alright guys, we're in the car. There's my boy's 335, he just copped it. He's parking at my place for right now, so I'm gonna go pick him up from his house. And we're gonna head to the car wash. We're gonna wash my car and his car. And then we'll catch y'all back when we're waxing it. I'm gonna give you some up close shots of it because it is super dirty right now. I don't know if you guys can tell as much on camera, but it's really, really bad. So let's get out of here. We're gonna head over to his place, and yeah. So as you can see, there's just like, it's like yellow spots on the hood. I don't know how guys you can see that. So we're gonna get a shot of the side, just like a bunch of muds all the way down. So you got this thing for $7,100. 2-owner. What's it called? 75,000 miles. Everything's in pretty good condition. The only flaw is a little bit of chipping paint on the back, but for $7,000 you can't really beat it. We're gonna try to get all this stuff. Yeah, here's my boy. We got it for a steal. Here's my car. As you can tell, it's all disgusting too. Still paper plates. Freaking nasty. So we're gonna get these washed and waxed. What's up?
She sent me 200.
Oh, his sugar mama.
So you can borrow.
You can borrow it.
Bro.
Oh, you're funny as shit. Alright, we just pulled up at the wash. Gotta get this joint done. Yes, sir. Alright, we'll catch you guys back when they're done. Alright guys, so today we're going to be using turtle wax on both the cars. We'll see how it comes out. Yeah, yours is already looking much better, bro. Alright, so we just finished waxing them. This thing is shining. Sheesh. Same with his, man. If you see the difference from earlier, hopefully you picked it up in the video. This thing looks so much better. Sorry if it's a little windy, guys. Can't really control that, but I mean, that's ridiculous how much cleaner that car looks than it did before. Same with this one. Sheesh. right, so here's the car he just picked up, completely washed. Looks a lot better. So it's the white with the brown interior. This is the little paint that I was talking about. This is the only thing that was damaged on the pretty much the entire car. Little chip here, but the thing about that is we have a buddy that works specifically on body work, so he has a shop, so he can just paint that for us for a pretty good price. So for $7,100, I mean, that's a freaking steal. Looks clean. He has every package except for the M package as well. So he's got the sport package, the winter package, and I believe the luxury package is what it's called. I'm not 100% sure on that, don't hate me. But yeah, what you think about the car, man?
It's a good first car.
First car, yeah, for sure. Definitely.
Fun to drive. I can't wait for full bolts on for real.
Yeah, my shit's fast as fuck now. That's crazy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, please smash that like and sub button. It means a lot. Trying to grow the channel, trying to do a lot more content for you guys. A subscribe and a like definitely motivates me to do more of that. So this is his car. People are racing. So this is his car. I highly recommend, if you guys do have money saved up, to go look for some used cars. Maybe not right now, but in a couple months, a month or two, because these prices are going to drop so much. It is already started, but it's only going to drop even more. So if you guys do have extra money saved up, I highly recommend going out and looking for a car. That's going to be it for today's video. Like I said, smash that like and sub button, and we'll catch you next episode. Peace.